Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 15 not charging. When meeting iPhone 15 charging problems, most users directly agree with that broken battery or charging port is the culprit behind. Depending on different charging cases, the reasons why an iPhone 15 won't charge are varied. If you just bought a new iPhone 15, put it on charge for the first time but it's not charging, then the device could be a defective product. If your iPhone 15 won't charge when plugged in or wirelessly, then you should check if the charging cable, charger, or wireless charger is not working. If you find iPhone 15 periodically refusing to charge, then the system software might be glitching. If a wireless charger will charge your iPhone 15 but it doesn't through a cable, then there might be some foreign objects in the charging port. If your iPhone 15 charges but it won't charge past 80%, 10%, or less, then the battery might be degraded, defective, or damaged. Alright, in the following, we'll provide some troubleshooting steps to let your iPhone 15 charge normally again in detail. You can use the steps to remedy the battery not charging issue on iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max too. Step 1. Use a different adapter, cable and outlet. 1. See if the Lightning cable can charge other iOS devices. If not, switch another cord. 2. See if the adapter can be used to charge other iOS devices. If not, switch another one. 3. See if the power outlet can give power to other devices. If not, use another one. All in all, make sure all the charging accessories are working well. Then, firmly connect your iPhone 15 to the power outlet with the cable and charger. Wait for a while and see if your iPhone 15 shows the red battery icon and starts charging. Step 2. Check iPhone 15's USB port for debris. Use the flashlight and take a closer look at the insides of your iPhone 15's USB port. Check if there are debris and foreign objects that stop your iPhone 15 from charging. If any, use a fine toothpick or use a can of compressed air to clear them away. Once done, plug in your iPhone 15 to the power and check if it can charge properly right now. Step 3. Force iPhone 15 to restart. If your iPhone 15 is on, you can press either volume up or volume down button and power button to restart the device. If your iPhone 15 doesn't charge or turn on, then you'll need to force restart the device. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button and then keep holding the side button until the Apple logo comes up on the display. During the process, keep your iPhone 15 connected to the power outlet. When the device turns on, see if it's charging and the battery percentage is going up. Step 4. Enter recovery mode. If you still have trouble with iPhone 15 not charging when plugged in after the restart, then put the device into recovery mode and update the system or restore it back to its factory settings. You'll need a computer and download and install Apple devices, iTunes or Finder software. Once you're ready, follow these steps. Unplug your iPhone 15 from the power outlet and then connect it to the computer. Open the Apple devices, iTunes or Finder software window. On your iPhone 15, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Don't release when the Apple logo appears. Still keep holding. When you see the recovery mode screen showing a laptop and cable, let go of the button and go to the computer. A pop-up dialog box should appear on the software window. From the Update and Restore option it shows you, choose Update option. Continue to finish the following instructions and then wait for the software to install the latest iOS software into your iPhone 15 that is not charging. If the device charges normally after the update, it's good. If you still can't charge your iPhone 15, you'll have to repeat all the steps and choose Restore option in the software window. As this option will delete everything on your phone to do a factory reset, check the backups before you go forward. Step 5. Replace the charge port or battery. Maybe you mistakenly dropped the phone and break the battery inside. Perhaps the external objects in your pocket or bags damage the charge port without your knowledge. Whatever, all these damage will prevent your iPhone 15 from charging in the normal way. So, take the device to the Apple authorized service provider to have the phone checked. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 15 that won't charge properly. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.